Singapore's CPF Life scheme offers a unique approach to retirement income. As Senior Minister of State Koh Poh Koon boldly stated, "It's like owning a rental property, but without the hassle." But here's the twist. During a panel discussion, Dr. Koh compared CPF Life to property investment, emphasizing the regular monthly payouts. Just like rental income, but with a crucial difference, CPF Life payouts are tax-free. The CPF Life scheme is a national insurance annuity, ensuring monthly payments for life. It's automatically available to citizens and permanent residents born in 1958 or later, provided they have at least $60,000 in retirement savings when starting payouts. Enrollment is possible between ages 65 and 70, using funds from their retirement account, RA, for premiums. Boosting payouts. CPF members can increase their CPF Life payouts by topping up their own or their loved one's special account, SA, or RA. For those under 55, top-ups go to the SA, while those 55 and above can top up their RA. For instance, a CPF member with a full retirement sum FRS of $213,000 in 2025 can expect $1,730 monthly from age 65. But here's where it gets interesting. Those 55 and above can top up to the Enhanced Retirement Sum or S of $426,000, resulting in a whopping $3,330 monthly payout, a significant increase of $1,600. Controversial flexibility. CPF members working past 65 can defer payouts until age 70, increasing monthly payments by up to 7% per year. Dr. Koh illustrated this with a member topping up to the ERS. Deferring payouts to age 70 could mean an extra $1,000 monthly, potentially surpassing salary increments. As of December 2023, over half of eligible CPF members chose to defer payouts to age 70. For those with lower retirement savings, the Matched Retirement Savings Scheme offers a helping hand. Enhanced in 2025, it allows citizens 55 and above to save more and receive higher monthly payouts. The government matches cash top-ups to the RA, up to $2,000 annually, a significant increase from the previous $600 cap. And this is the part most people miss. The scheme's potential. Tang Lee Huat, CPF Board's Deputy CEO, highlighted that a CPF member contributing $2,000 annually from age 55 for a decade, with matching grants, could gain $48,000 in additional savings by age 65, translating to a $260 monthly income boost. So, is CPF Life the ultimate retirement solution? Do these incentives encourage continued work past retirement age? Share your thoughts below, and let's explore the pros and cons of this intriguing scheme.